My end stop has lost a wire. I broke free off of one side. It's a pretty common problem. It's just like losing a button off a shirt. On a long enough timeline, it happens to everybody. And you can fix this pretty quickly with a soldering iron. First, you need to strip the tip of the wire so that you have something to solder. I would recommend about 1/8 of an inch. I have my wire stripper set to 20 gauge wire. So now that I have some wire exposed, I have something to solder back onto the switch. I'm using a little tool called Helping Hands to hold the wire in the switch. That way I can just focus on the soldering. First up, I'm going to tin the wire, which just means get a little bit of solder into the strands of the wire. Apply the heat, apply the solder. Now the wire is lightly tinned. Here's what the pre-tinned wire looked like. If the end looks shiny, then your wire is tinned and ready. I've lined up the wire so it's laying on the prong in the exact position as the wire that broke free. Mine was soldered on the inside, and I'm doing that again. Soldering should be done quickly so you don't overheat the joint, and unfortunately I wasn't able to capture it on the video. You can see my finished joint here, and I'm just going to pantomime it for you that you would apply the heat and then apply the solder until it flows around the new joint. Once you have that done, you've fixed your broken end stop. Here's the finished joint, which looks nice and smooth. Now this end stop is ready to be attached back to the printer.